Hey guys, how's it going? If you're watching this video, you're obviously interested in learning how to make apps for the iPhone. I'm super excited to have you guys here with me starting this journey. I'm going to be teaching you everything you need to know about app development. Whether you want to be an iOS developer, a programmer, get a really good high-paying job so you can provide for your family or make a lot of money, or whether you just want to make apps for fun, show them off to your friends and family, or you want to put your apps on the App Store, make some money off them, whatever your goals are, you can do it here. We're going to teach you everything. This is our Making iPhone Apps Beginner to Pro series. We are going to teach you absolutely everything. You can start as an absolute beginner, and we're going to teach you to become an absolute pro. We're going to teach everything here, so no experience needed. You know, technology's really been growing here lately. It's one of the best things to get into, guys. You know, if you think about it, all it takes is one good idea to become a billionaire. Like, there's no limits, right? Look at Amazon, Facebook, look at Uber, Lyft, Tinder. These are apps where one good idea and now they're raking in billions of dollars every month, you know? So, you know, there's no limits to what you can do, guys. If you have a good idea for an app, I'm going to show you guys how you can make this app by yourself, put it on the App Store, and start making money off it, guys. So it's great to have you guys here. Super excited to get into this with you guys. So how this course is going to go is we're going to start off from the very beginning, no experience, and we're going to be working in Xcode with the language called Swift to develop these iPhone apps. So in Xcode, there's a couple different things you can do. One is called Playgrounds. The other is called pretty much your project. So we're going to be going in the Playgrounds for the first 3 lessons, and we're going to be learning how to write code. In the Playgrounds, it's where you learn how to write code. You experiment with code, and the results show up for you to see them. So our first 3 lessons, we're going to be in the Playgrounds, learning some code, and then the next 3 lessons, we're going to be in Xcode, building apps. And I'm going to show you how it all works. We're going to be building apps. And then we're going to go back to Playground, learn some more code, go back to Xcode, build some more apps. So the whole program is going to go like that. We're going to learn some code, and then we're going to go apply it and learn how to build apps. Now I'm going to teach you guys everything so you know exactly what to do. I'm going to teach you everything. It's not going to be you guys following along, just copying what I'm doing, not sure what to do. I'm going to go thoroughly into everything. You guys are going to know exactly what we're doing, and you guys are going to know exactly how to do it on your own. By the end of this program, you guys will have gone from an absolute beginner to an absolute pro. I'm going to teach you everything. Any app idea you guys have, you're going to be able to bring it to life by the end of this video. So stick with it, guys. Get started right now. Stick with it. It's going to be so worth it. And I'm telling you guys, I'm explaining this. I'm going to explain all my lessons in the easiest way possible. It's going to be a walk in the park. I'm going to make this real easy, guys. And you got a great teacher right here who's going to answer all your questions and comments. Just comment, question, anything you're stuck with. I got you guys. I'm going to help you out. We're going to get you guys there. You guys are going to all be building crazy apps, putting them in the App Store, or just having fun, or getting a job that you want. It's going to be a ton of fun, guys. I cannot wait to get into it with you guys. So get started on our first lesson. I'm going to post it up over here or over here. I don't know, somewhere on the screen here. I'll put a link down in the description too. And get started, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and make sure to leave a like, a comment, and subscribe to our channel, guys, so we can continue to do this and continue to build more videos for you guys. Alright, guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in lesson 1. Peace.